Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm in a short position right now for A and C. Literally just entered, have not made any profit yet. I'm waiting for this break right here, okay? I'm waiting for this break to come down. Let's give you guys a better view of this. Okay, so let's first of all talk about A and C from the very beginning, okay? I'm just gonna zoom out here and show you guys a resistance. The resistance is here at 227. See that resistance right there? That's a very critical one. Also, do you see the yellow? I don't want to make it bigger than this, but this is the best I can do while showing both charts. See the yellow? One, two, three, four, five. There's literally five waves there. If I expand it further, you can see, right? And then if I break it down even more, you can see the third wave actually forming in here as well. Very clearly, too. Called this yesterday. That's the one. Two. Top of that is three, four, and five to make the three. And now the last wave is the one that's broken down a lot. And you can really see all of it. Okay. This is the top of one. So it makes one, two, three, four, five to make the one. This makes the two right there. Okay. And then now we've got one, two, three, four, and five. That makes the three. The four comes down. And now I'm going to add more to my position here. Let's sell another 10,000 here. Market execute it. I'm going to be in a good position right now. I believe it's going to crash down right away. So this is the max position I can play. I'm leveraged pretty high, I have to admit, okay? I think I'm leveraged like 6 or something. I'm definitely leveraged about times 6 here. Yeah, I'm leveraged times 6. That's the maximum that I'm going to play. I'm playing with a position size here of $66,000. So then we finish off the rest, right? Like that's the 3, that's the 4, and then you can see the 5th just kind of finishing up right there. That's making a bearish flag. And you can see all of this clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is now starting the wave down. That's going up like that. And we're probably going to smash down sometime soon. I just cannot see this getting much higher. See the trend line right there, the white one? That would be the original entry on a break, but I'm anticipating it and entering earlier. My target's going to be like probably, I don't know yet. I'm going to delete all this just to get it out. I know my RR is really good. So I'm just going to zoom out right here and just take the resistance of the whole structure. Like the fib of the whole structure, I mean. That got up to like, what did it get up to? I don't need to be that accurate. So right around there, I started. Got up to around there. I'll probably take my profit at 208. Actually, no. The next resistance is, or support is going to be right here, like around there. So I'm going to take mine preemptively at 205 roughly. That should make me $4,500 this morning. 4,500. Yeah. Perfect. It's slightly in between the golden, or sorry, the 236 and the 382 Fibonacci retracement. So that's really perfect for me to take it there. So I'm going to just hold this line. Yeah, I'm going to just hold that line and just lock it here so I know. That's probably what I want to do. Oops. That's weird. It's so thick still, even though it's like 1 point. Well, I guess the thickness doesn't really matter much. Oh, shoot. Choosing the wrong one, that's why. Sorry, I'm just playing around with my settings while waiting. Anyways, so this should drop very soon. There we go. It's thin now. So this should drop like literally very, very soon. I don't see why it wouldn't, you know. I think I'm just gonna leverage my maximum amount of times 10 because this is like a fuck you kind of trade. Like, it's definitely gonna win, you know? Like, how could they lose this trade? Like, I don't understand. It's like almost impossible to lose this trade. And I keep a low amount on here on purpose lately. Like, I understand the risk entirely. I understand it, obviously. So I might just leverage and get ready to add 10,000 more. I can keep more money on my account anytime I want to. So I'm not trying to grow my account, you know what I mean? Like in terms of, oh no, I need more to play more, like that. It's like I'm just doing it just because of risk and safety from exchanges because I got extremely paranoid when it came to watching that movie about the Quadriga CX. Because I had like, at that one point, I had like $250,000 on there. And they literally, I took out my money like 1 week before they went bankrupt. Like not bankrupt, but before the owner died. So the owner died and nobody could get their money out. They lost like $250 million. Everybody lost that much total. So it's like, and I luckily got my money out 1 week before they went under, which was like, whoa, I was really lucky. So I've been really paranoid since like just since watching that documentary on Netflix. I understand all of the risks associated with leveraging, you know, so it's not like it's a problem of trying to make more money. It's just a matter of safety for keeping money on exchanges. So right now it's just trying to rally up from that. See on the 1 minute chart here, like this is how you know I'm being a smart trader. I haven't entered into any position bigger yet right now. And if you take a look at the 1 minute 55, actually the 2 minute 55 EMA, there's always an EMA that wants to bounce the best. Okay, the 1 minute one bounced really well actually. It goes under, 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 under. So try to find one slightly above, like where the price action is slightly above the 55 EMA. So you see that 2 minute chart is it's good here, just touches it there about, slightly above, slightly above. So if they had a 90-second chart, it would probably be the best EMA because that one would be like just slightly, slightly perfect, you know? So now we got to look at a lower time frame because we got to evaluate. We got to take a look at here where it's just forming this little bearish flag or so. See that? So we wanted that to break down. When that breaks down, I'll add more to my position here. Got a really good promo going on today, guys. Let me show you it. Make sure you guys sign up for this. I'm only doing this for today. Today is the only day you can get this promotion. What you get, it's normally $875, and you're going to get it for $375. What you get is 6 months of access to my private Discord trading group. I call this my group hard when I woke up. You get my second edition course version 2.0 book mailed out to you after May the 21st. And you also get access to 12 lessons from course version 2.0. The 12 lessons are condensed into 3 courses, excuse me. So you get all of this. You guys can read it, right? So it's a really, really good, it's honestly like the best, oh, there we go, bro. Package that I've had. I think it broke pretty much. Fuck it, I'm just gonna do it. I'm pretty confident about this trade. Like, why would it not? Like, come on. You know what I mean? Like, it couldn't get back up above that trend line. So I'm in a position now for 88K. This is not gonna be bullish in any way. Like, so make sure you guys are signing up for that. It's, you know, spend 6 months with me. A lot of people are saying that the $1,050 package is really expensive. Yeah, it can be out of reach for some people, right? I just want to make sure you guys spend 6 months with me, and you're going to see how your skills like transform with me kind of yelling at you enough in my channel. That's no joke. I'm really hard on my students. I'm really hard on them in terms of just like yelling at you if you've done something really bad and wrong, over leveraging or taking a bad trade. Like I will fucking shit on you. I'm not a nice teacher. I am very, very nice and kind, but I'm gonna give it to you so hard and real, and give you like a dose of how traders like should learn, which is trial by fire. There's no hand holding here. This is not taking like a yoga class. This is real money on the line. You know, you should be treated like it's something extremely serious when you're trading. And you need to be like not handheld. You need to understand that the people that are like emotionally tough in this game, like they're the ones that ultimately succeed the most. The ones that can handle and manage their emotions always do really well. I'm sorry to say, but like there's just I've seen a lot of people that are just like what's the word? Like too nice in real life. Too nice as in like, like pansies. And like they're just like such nice people, like they don't really do well in trading, I've noticed. It takes kind of a certain stereotype to do really well in trading. Like, I don't know, just from what I've seen, almost kind of like you gotta be like you gotta be really tough. I gotta plug my phone in. So we're definitely gonna be breaking to the downside like right away. Can you guys see that? So I'm gonna close mine at 205 there, which is actually really conservative if you think about it. It's like little bit less than 382. I mean, the 236 Fibonacci retracement, which is like crazy. I will make about $4,500 from this trade alone. And then after I'm done this trade, I'm gonna go pack because my wife and I, or fiance and I, we move in less than 2 weeks. So we want to make sure that we finish packing, and there's a lot to do before a move, of course. So just waiting for this drop to happen. I'll be back in a bit. I'm just gonna pause. I don't want to narrate it all day. There we go. I'm up 1% almost already. I'm just gonna smash it here. This was a very good short position, guys. I'm talking about a very good short. I'm probably taking my profit too early, to be honest. I can probably take like a 10% profit, which I might. Because we have to remember that BTC smashed, okay? Like BTC just smashed down. And I'm starting to think to myself that what was I gonna say? I'm starting to think that ANC is just delayed. It's like a delayed short, and it went up like that, so it's now gonna really, really catch up to the market in terms of just dropping to the ground. So I don't think for a moment that ANC is gonna recover. ANC is done, and it's probably gonna really get hurt because every coin corrected hard, right? So I think this is really, really done right now. I can't see it going up. Like, let's look at the lower time frame. See, you're not going to see any RSI divergence or MACD divergence on a higher time frame, not because it moved in a low period of time, right? But if you go to a lower time frame, you'll see it. Like, you won't even see it here, really. Like, that's, like you'll see it here. Like, here is a perfect divergence. So the 5 minute, you'll really see it here as well. Like, this is really, really done. This is absolutely 100% crushing done. Looking at the chandelier exit indicators, I'm seeing that the buy signal was pretty much right spot on. Like, it was spot on there. Like the one on the left right there, that one was spot on for the buy to enter. Of course, you're gonna get some false signals as well, right? Like there, there's buy, sell, buy, sell. So on the 5 minute chart, it's spot on. The last one was entering like at 185 or so. And now we're about to get the exit indicator. The sell signal is going to come up soon. It's about to cross over to that green line. If it closes below there, then you know for a fact that this rally is now done. Once the rally is done, it's done. It'll probably set the stop loss to like 222. I'm going to guess 222 if it breaks down here. So then I'm just going to ride on the 5-minute until it tells me otherwise. That's going to be probably the best short. There we go. It's going to break now. So go here on the top left, guys. Top left. Go to settings. Okay. Go to settings right here. And then go settings. And go to floating window. Turn it on. You might need to allow overlay display on or something in your permissions. That you guys can add ANC there. Then you're going to see this little floating thing there. Why? So that you can go on Instagram and just surf while the trade's happening. But first of all, I'll show you guys my position here, okay? The phone that I'm using is the Samsung Z Fold 3, which is literally the best phone out on the market for trading because of this, okay? So now the 5-minute exit indicator, I'm using the S Pen Pro. So I got the best of the best gear, man. The 5-minute just started to show a sell signal. Yeah. The 2-minute MACD cross is going down hard. See, remember I mentioned the 55 EMA? 55 EMA is holding all of it, holding it above there. But as soon as we break that 2-minute 55 EMA, fuck, we're going down, guys. We're going down hard. Whew. This is a really easy trade. Really easy trade, like fuck. Nice, guys, nice. We'll probably get like our first bounce actually here. I might move up my price. I'm gonna clone it. You guys can clone it, you know that, right? You can clone things. Click on it. Unlock it. Oh, clones are not locked. So right around here. See that? Do you see why? Why 212? 212 because... Okay, it's coming up now. Because of that, the supports are coming up, right? So I'm going to be up a lot right now. So I decided to trade with my group this morning. I called the 5 Elliott wave count like really, really hard with the group. Let me show you guys, like just working with the group. I got a channel that's dedicated for basically just calls. So I woke up right here and I said to them first thing, good morning guys. I wake up to ANC. So ANC did the 5th wave despite BTC's drop. And we're pretty much finished between now and 227. So I want to short it big. Basically, I don't treat it like a signals group, but I definitely tell everybody what I'm doing, you know, like, it's just how it is. So we're still the 240 ranges here. It's looking really good so far, right? So I told everybody, like, the 5th wave, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in, and then the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is pretty much in, right? And I told the group that the trendline break is my entry. So it broke that trend line right there. I told them I'm going to make $3,000 even before you guys wake up. If you have a 5 count that's bearishly diverging and breaks the trend line like that in the 5th count, basically the perfect Elliott wave count, you must enter without hesitation. That's a golden rule. ANC is dropped slowly. It's going to catch up to BTC. Watch, guys. There are always delayed coins that drop, coins that go against BTC, like ANC. So this is one of the coins. And here I take my profit right now, okay guys, for $3,000 this morning. Perfect, $3,000 profit. We literally just hit it. This should be the first small bounce and closing it now for 3K. Nope, I can't do it with that high. I gotta, oh, here we go, close all. Perfect, confirm. Boom, guys, not even any slippage at all. And here I take my profit right now, okay guys, for $3,000 this morning. Perfect, $3,000 profit. We literally just hit it. This should be the first small bounce and closing it now for 3K. Nope, I can't do it with that high. I gotta, oh, here we go, close all. Perfect, confirm. Boom, guys, not even any slippage at all.